How many 3 3/4 inch wires can be cut from a spool of wire that's 100 inches long? Will there be any wire left? If so, how much? Alright, so we have 100 inches and we're going to divide it into 3 3/4 pieces. So we want to know how many of those pieces are in this. So now let's convert this to 100 over 1 divided by the improper fraction of 3 times 4 is 12, 13, 14, 15 over 4. And let's realize too that we cannot divide fractions. We have to multiply by its reciprocal. Now let's simplify by 5, which is going to be 20 times 4 is 80 over 1 times 3 is 3. Alright, so let's divide 80 by 3 and find out how many pieces that we can get. So that would be 2. Subtract 6 from 8, we get 2. Bring down the 0. 3 goes into 26 times with 18, and we end up with 2/3 left over. So 26 is what our total number of complete pieces is. The confusing part is that we have 2/3 of 3 3/4 left. So this is a little bit not very intuitive. This is hard to think about. So if you can get this right, I'll give you extra credit. So we're going to get 2/3, 2/3 of 12, 13, 14, 15 over 4. I'm going to simplify these two. I'm going to simplify these two, and we end up with 1 times 5 and 1 times 2. So that is 5 over 2, which is 2 1/2. So we actually have 26 whole pieces with 2 1/2 inches left over. So those are our two answers. And like I said, if you can get this first part, I'll be happy. If you get this, you get some extra credit points.